Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, family? Everybody did. Also, I don't notice here we are going to 2026. So, if you're an artist, producer, or anything at all, you need to step up your game. You get me? Once, like, I just want to tell now, wish now, happy holiday, happy new year. But you guys put your mind on your game. Want to teach you about how to record song anymore. How to teach you about the marketing side or the music business, because the music is not about how good you are, how good you can sing. It's about how to market yourself as an artist. These days I see a lot of videos that go viral on TikTok. One thing I always notice about the content, they shoot the video at a marketplace, like where open, e catch at ten tion well well. So if you want to make it, you gats leave your home, leave your comfort zone, and go out there, find better spot that will catch at ten tion and make video. Use your phone, go crazy on TikTok, because no time. As if na like 2020, 2017, like 2020 sef, na like our record label for this country today, our big record label take dey sign people wey dey just freestyle post online. Now you gats get something to show. They gats look you whether you dey good to invest to, whether dey make, because the reason say make we invest in this guy na wetin dey dey mind to invest in you, how you go make am. If you just dey there every time, your video no dey, you no dey post con ten t steady, you no dey turn up for yourself, guarantee no dey say you go make am na, because you no dey post con ten t every time. Me, I'm an artist. Go my TikTok. I post video daily. The trending side of the music, post video. Go marketplace, do video. You go viral. Market side always go viral. That's just the best content idea. Market side, I swear to God. You know, guys, dull 2026. If you don't make am, go make am. Yeah, I talk to number one. I supposed talk this thing before. I don't know. That's the plan for starting. Una guys post una song, guy. I want some people say, okay, wait, you like, are you an artist? Do you sing? They'll say yes. Okay, what if your name I check it for Spotify? I say never post the song yet. You be artist, but you never post your song yet. What you can make you be artist? Are you mad? You mad? If you be artist, never post your song yet. What you gonna do? You mad? Post a lot of songs. Post like 10 songs. Then start to promote. No just dey sit down for house say I dey find money na, if I get money na I just go studio. You find helper na, shey you find helper abi? You find helper abi? Wait, all of us wait that helper come. Helper wey you need. Make all of us wait whether helper come and whether helper come. Guy, you gats put your head to the game, bro. I no come tell una about recording stuff. I don go teach una how to make beats and all. Maybe I next week video I will teach una more about making beats. Now I had to upgrade my game. You say bandlap don upgrade version, a lot of best beat version and all of that. Very simple and very nice if you want to learn. But if you want to learn to make beat more, you can watch my last video. I already give an advice how to market yourself in 2026 the best way. Even now sef, just do wetin go dey best for everybody, make everybody put more effort in you. You gotta believe in yourself and you get. No dull, carry your hustle for head. We are go marketplace go shoot content and like when dey watch video how to do content, how to edit content. Shey you get, no just sit down for house, without nothing. Leave video sef, I no suppose even post am. I just na give some of my friends. Na dem need this advice pass una. I no wise. I no dey pay at ten tion. Like and subscribe anyway. Like and subscribe my next video. I just come give una my mind. I cut una my mind, but I dey vex. But can't tell the reason. Cut una my mind, bro. Pay at ten tion o.